Anything that Ryan said today goes into a biased context. You will have people like the older people who rang Liveline to say, leave him alone, he's a terribly nice man. You will have lots of other people who will say, he said what about his relationship with the children of Ireland? He said what? There was a sense all of the time that he was almost preaching like an archbishop, saying things like, never underestimate the decency of the Irish people. What? That couldn't work, and it didn't work. And towards the end, I would figure his performance went in three. First of all, the red thing at the beginning, then the bit in the middle, and then at the end, the realization that he had lost the room. He may not have lost older listeners who like him and would like him to come back. He certainly lost the committee. The other thing is that he said that he mightn't have a job by the end of the week. That is simply not true. Kevin Backhurst, who has been pretty magnificent since he went in there, he is not going to make a quick decision on
Well,
this.
he said he does want to make...
He wants a quick decision, but not before the end of the week.
I think it could be the end of this week, to be honest.
Yeah, well, it's guesswork.
Well, I think he was saying, he was essentially saying, I could be gone by Friday. He wasn't saying, you know, but I mean, when you talk about quick decisions...
Kevin Backhurst is going to listen to the people.
Kevin Backhurst has already made a lot of decisions on day one in the job, so...
Yeah, but he has to find out from the people within RTE what they feel. So he's going to have at least three things: the people inside RTE, the listeners, whether they want him back, and let's not mess around, the advertisers. So there's a number of things that he has to consider before he makes a fairly major decision.